In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write a Gmail email to someone. Okay, so there is a Chrome extension we are going to install. That Chrome going to help us to add ChatGPT on our Gmail account. Okay, so we are going to start. You must go to google.com, look for ChatGPT Everywhere. Okay, and then you're gonna see on the first page of Google, you can see it here on chrome.google.com. You click here. So it's not this one, okay, not this one at all. I'm gonna click back here. I'm gonna type here ChatGPT Everywhere, this one here. This is the one. I believe this is the one. I'm gonna open it. Yeah, this is the one. As you can see the logo, how it look like, and then it's from chatgpteverywhere.com. okay, it does have 4,000 plus users. They call it ChatGPT Everywhere, Gmail, Google, and more. Okay, I'm gonna click add extension. Busy adding it. As you can see, it's done. Okay, so now what's going to happen, I'm gonna go to my Gmail account. I'm gonna refresh this page. I'm gonna click compose. When you click compose, you can see ChatGPT here. Okay, so I'm gonna click here, and you got ChatGPT on your Gmail account. So you can ask ChatGPT here whatever you want. I'm gonna say follow up regarding my code I sent to you last week. Okay, and then you click ask ChatGPT. So it's going to write a mail for you. And it's done. When it's done, you scroll down, you click insert email. Now you can close it, and then you come here and then edit it. You can see here J Alpha. I hope this email find you well. I just wanted to follow up with you regarding the code I sent you over last week. I wanted to make sure you receive it, and if you had any question or need any further information, please let me know. If there is anything else I can assist you with, you see, and then you put your name here, and then you click send. Very simple, right? I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.